This is the Kelly's new home. Yay, yay. It lives with the mini flap, my Birkin, my one other bag. I got my clutch down here since we got rid of the Coco Mini and got some shoes. Do you guys like this setup? I'm about to do some mod shop for you guys, but do be warned. Outside is raining like cats and dogs, y'all. My arthritis is killing me. My ankle be swelling up like I'm 9 months pregnant. This bag has gold hardware, so what I'm trying to do with this outfit is accentuate the warm tone. This shirt is from Forever 21. I got some brass detailing here and here on the collar. I think I got this shirt for maybe, I don't know, $10, $20 max. This skirt is from ASOS. Got it on eBay for about $12. As you see, when it comes to clothing, I don't spend too much money on it because you can't sell your clothes back for much. As long as the fit is good and the material's good, nothing's wrong with getting some cheap clothing. Also, I stay the heck away from anything that needs to be dry cleaned. Ain't nobody got time and money for dry cleaning. This outfit, shirt and pants, both come from Ann Taylor. Most of my clothes, y'all, I had for over 5 years. Unless something's torn or broken, I don't really replace my clothes. So I can't link y'all to the same identical shirt or pants or anything like that. This is mostly just for inspiration. This bag is a basic bitch bag. It is completely black. There's no type of interesting pattern or anything on it. Just a little CC Turnlock logo. It says low-key bougie. So I add a little bangle on to the outfit to give it some visual interest. With the shirt, if I wear one of these longer shirts that kind of hit below the crotch, I like skinny pants because you don't want a baggy shirt and a baggy pants. Then you basically hiding your whole body. It looks like you're just walking around in a trash bag. So having some skinny pants to balance out the baggy shirt, I think is a good combination. I like color blocking, especially with a minimal looking bag like this because it does give a little bit more visual interest. This shirt is black with cream and the border right here is a light, almost like off-white. It's interesting enough, but not overly flashy. Another great thing about wearing a baggy shirt is that you can eat as much as you want. The middle panel is black, so basically I wear this shirt when I go to eat at buffets, y'all. A lot of people ask me where I get my clothes. The answer is everywhere. I don't discriminate. My clothes come from the old lady Ann Taylor store, The Gap, Goodwill, just anywhere. Pay attention to the fit. That's the most important thing. If you can find something that's form-fitting to your body, whatever body type you have, it's gonna make you look gorgeous. None of my clothes usually exceeds $50. This next look is for days like this where my arthritis is just acting up. I don't want to wear heels. I don't want to wear too many layers of clothing. I just want something simple. This is a button-up dress. Usually when I get anything button up, I like to find clothes with a flap that actually covers the button. As you see, all my shirts from the previous look are all like that. They're all buttoned up, but the buttons are hidden. It gives a more polished appearance. I really like the shift dress because it has these vertical stripes. Usually when I wear this dress, I just like to wear sneakers with it. And I am short, y'all. I am about 5'2"-ish. So anything vertical is going to help elongate my body. If you notice, this dress has a tie-in waist. The waist is adjustable. I got this when I was pregnant because I didn't want to buy any maternity wear. Number one, they're really expensive. Number two, they're not all that good looking and you can only wear them for about 9 months. And that's a terrible waste of money for something that you're going to wear in such a short and specific time in your life. So I went around and just found things with empire waist, cinch waist, tied in waist. Now I can wear my maternity clothes even after I deliver the baby. This is a medium-sized bag, so you can't get too fancy with it, but you can still dress the bag up. This is a look that I would wear to my in-laws. I actually wore this dress to my mother-in-law's house. Something simple like this with a classic bag makes a great first impression if you're on a date. What it says is that, hey, I like designer good, however, I am still simple, humble, and not too expensive. I will not take your son's money if he chooses to marry me. Please accept me. Ooh, we getting fancy with this next look. This is a look for you to attend a wedding, a party, some type of formal event. Notice I could have picked a black dress, but I didn't, because I didn't want to have a black shoe, a black dress, and a black bag. Because you don't want to enter an event looking like the angel of death, you know. Vary your color. If you like black, it's cool. Just get some interesting detail in your dresses and clothes so that it doesn't look visually too boring on the eye. I hope you guys like these mod shots. Stay tuned to watch me unbox this beauty and see the before, the restoration, and how it looks after I restored it. This is Trang. Welcome back to my closet. I am so excited about this unboxing. Usually to do any video, I would wait till Hayden's asleep, but this one, I could not wait. So we're gonna try to film with Hayden right here by my side. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, mommy gonna film. What I got is the Chanel Medium Kelly. And you're like, oh, didn't you just buy one? Yes, I did. But this one is the pure. And it has gold hardware. Originally, when my mom saw the quilted silver hardware version, she wasn't that into it when she saw the photos online. But when she saw it in person, she loves the bag. Whenever I webcam with her, I'm like, what are you doing? And she's just staring at the bag. Like, she loves that bag. Initially, when we were talking and we were looking into bags for her, she said she didn't like the quilted version because she thought the quilting made the bag look a little old lady-ish. But keep in mind, my mom is 72 years old, y'all. I don't know what is a old lady bag to her. Is it like 90 years old? I'm not quite sure, but she wanted one without the quilting. And in general, she likes all of her bag to have gold hardware over silver hardware. Because this bag is vintage, I wasn't sure that they even made a pure Chanel Medium Kelly without the quilting and in gold hardware. So I looked at probably over 2,000 bags, y'all, vintage, from everywhere, from eBay, Rebag, Real, Fashion File, other consignment store, Couture USA. I went to E-Late. I went everywhere, and I finally located one from Rebag. This is my first time purchasing from them. I am not affiliated in any way. This is not a sponsored video. I just happened to find this bag at their store. They were the only store that had this bag out of everywhere that I looked at online. Because this bag is vintage, I don't know what the actual retail price for it originally was, but it was listed at $2,700. After a 10% coupon, tax, and shipping, I paid $2,658 for this bag. Keep in mind that Rebag does not give you free shipping, nor do they give you free return. So if you have to return something from them, they subtract the shipping fee and the return fee. Shipping fee for this was about $25. From the date that I paid them to the time that this bag was delivered, it took about 7 days. Ooh, here we go. This bag is supposed to be in excellent condition except for a minor crease on the flap. So we're gonna check it out and see. Oh my gosh, I see the gold hardware that she was looking for. Ooh, look at that back pocket. Oh, you guys, the Chanel Medium Kellys, they have been spoiling me with this back pocket. I don't think I can purchase a bag without an outside pocket ever again. We shall see. Ooh, so there it is in the back. The Caviar is still in really good condition. No scratches that I can see. Oh, Hayden is impressed. It has this tag attached. Return will only be accepted if this tag is attached. So if you remove this, it's yours. Look at this gold hardware. Ooh, my mom is going to love this. Look at that. Wow, even the inside, there's not too much scratching on the hardware. I'm surprised. It is exactly like the other bag, except it has an additional pocket right here. And it comes with an authenticity card. Okay, it has a zipper pocket, but this tend to be kind of narrow. We tend to not use these, but the pocket inside is really clean. This one is leather lined pocket right here. Like, I am amazed at the condition. Yeah. The corners looked really good. There's no corner wear that I can see. The only issue is this dent right here on this flap. I don't know how that dent came to be. It looks like somebody just held the flap like this. So it's a minor thing. I'm gonna go ahead and put a steamer to it. Then we're gonna put a heat gun to it to raise the crease and remove it. Then I'm gonna open off this bag. Lastly, I'm gonna put some shoe polish shine on it. It should be as good as new. So to do all those things, I probably need another video because I don't want to make this too long. But overall, oh my gosh, you guys, I think she will love this. Like, this is everything that she asked for in a bag. So she's coming over in a couple hours. I don't think I'll be able to gift her this bag in a couple hours because the whole process of getting rid of the crease, I think it's going to take me a day. And Obenauf tends to take another day to dry. So, I'm excited. By the way, the money I used to purchase this bag is coming from the money I got from selling the Alma and the Chanel Coco handle. So, once again, money don't fall from the sky. I'm really glad I got this. I feel like it's going to be a lot more useful than the Coco handle. This is the moment of truth, you guys. Look at the Rebag dust bag. Oy, I honestly don't like the color. The materials, the material's pretty good, but the color is so tacky. I don't know. I don't ever use dust bag for my stuff anyways, but it's nice they included it. It's a little bit tacky looking. However, the quality is still better than a Chanel dust bag. Unless you're buying a classic, then you get the really nice white ones. Here it is. Hey, Jen. Here's the condition. I am going to refurbish it. Here we go. All right, so the bag is mine. One thing I do notice between this and the more recent model, look at how tight this D-ring is. I don't think I'll be able to squeeze in a lobster clasp to make it a crossbody. There's like no space. We are back with the finished bag. This is after I've pulled it out of the fridge and polished the leather with a microfiber cloth. You can do this with your Chanel glove that they give you whenever you buy it, or any microfiber cloth will do. The dent is gone. This bag currently is unstuffed. As you can see right through it. But look at the structure. Because we reshaped the bag and reformed it through heat and cold, the bag is now beautiful. Let's see if this insert fits into the bag. There we go. Beautiful. It is an exact fit, as you can see. So usually if I go somewhere, I need to carry water for my baby. This bottle is a little bit high. Don't think we can close it. Might have to take one of his shorter little bottles. It does fit a water bottle. Like so. My keys and wallet all in one. I have some baby food for the little one. Also have diapers and some wipes, snacks for the little one. Since I'm filming with my phone, I don't have a phone to show you, but I do have a calculator. So the calculator will go in the back. Or technically your phone. There we go. And then you can still buckle this up. I love this bag. The only thing that would make it even more perfect is if these day rings were circular, like the ones they had back in 2006 and 2008. Then I can make it crossbody. So this is strictly a handheld bag, but that's okay. It's so cute. Is this worth it to spend about $2,700 on such a old bag? To me it is, because the quality of this bag is amazing. Nowadays, most Chanel bag would start off at, after tax, I would say about $4,000, and it's fabric lined, whereas this is leather lined, and the size of it is super nice. It's a medium size, same size as a medium flat. And this is gold plated hardware as well. The capacity is beautiful. Nowadays, most bags have a divider right here, which limits you from being able to carry things such as a water bottle. And you know, I'm really thirsty all the time, so I really need to have this. If you guys are not carrying things for a baby, of course, you can always put a cosmetic pouch, anything like that. This is so big. So, what a convenient size. So big, but still dainty and cute enough that you can wear it as like an everyday bag. Not small enough for evening, but pretty close.